Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, From Drab to Fab with Kiss. My name is Diamond, and today I'm going to show you how I made these overalls. And if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for tuning in. Now I know that the climate is changing a little bit, so it's getting a little bit cooler, but I wanted to show you guys how I made these. I made them a little while ago, but I just wore them. And I wore these to a barbecue. So I took my time with these. It took me a little while to do them, but I love the way they turned out. So I'm just showing you guys pretty much different sections of the overalls and what I did. So I did a little bit to the front, a little bit to the back. I did the lip in the front, did a little bit in the front, the back, the sides. So I took some time out with each part of the overalls. So yeah, I added a little bit to each part. Yeah. And I'm going to explain what I did and why I did it. So let's get started. So this is what I used. I used hair weaving string. And then I used the needle that comes with the hair weaving string and embroidery string. Then I used gromits. These are spikes in gold and silver. Sharpie. A lip cutout. And tweezers. Pretty much tweeze out all the denim. And I used the letters. So my first video I did the vibrate higher, but I pretty much just cut out these letters out of old cardstock paper and taped them up so that they will be reusable. And that's how they turned out. So you can keep reusing them even when you get a marker and everything on them. And then I used adhesive, tack everything down. And then I used a hot fix applicator. And you pretty much plug it out and wait until it heats up, screw on the little tip, and go broke. And these are the rhinestones that comes with it. So you get, multiple colors, and I'll just show you guys, give you guys a closer look. What colors I used? I used the yellow, I used orange, I used red. I used two different color reds. It was like a burgundy red, and then it was like a blood red color. And then I used the green. Oh yeah, and silver also. You get a full pack of silver in different sizes. And then of course everything's going to be in the description box where I got everything. So I also used scissors. Yeah, I use these scissors, big scissors, and then I have small scissors just for the smaller jobs, and the big ones for the bigger jobs. And then I used I'm sorry, it's taking me so long. I use embroidery string. So you get a host of colors. So many to choose from, but I'm going to show you guys, give you guys a closer look on what colors that I chose. I'm just gonna go ahead and open it and specifically show you what colors that I used. So I use the blue. I use the blue to match better with the denim. I used yellow. I used yellow in the color 444. I used orange, but I didn't use that particular orange. I'll show you guys which one I used. I used this orange. And this one is a little bit brighter. But yeah, that's the orange I used. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and put it away. I like to clean up as I go, so I won't have too much crowding my surroundings. I apologize again for taking so long. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how I did the lip. So to get the lip, the front and the back lip, pretty much take my lip cutout. I made that out of cardstock paper, old cardstock paper. Then traced it with the Sharpie, and then I cut it out. There you go. And then pretty much turn them inside out. And then you're going to take your string, whatever type of string that you want to use, either the hair weaving string, embroidery string, or a regular string, and then go around the edges and sew around the edges until it closes. And yeah, that's how this is how it should turn out, just like that. And the hole, make sure you cut the hole out so that you'll be able to turn it the right side, turn it out. And then the rhinestones, I use my Hot Fix applicator. Like I said, it's a tedious job, but it was worth it. And then I used the red, the burgundy red, and then like the blood red or the regular red. And take them out. I mean, there's tweezers that come with it, and I just took them out one by one, and then tacked them out. So the Hot Fix pretty much heats up the glue that's underneath the rhinestone, and the rhinestone is glass. And then it heats it up, and then it tacks it down. It makes it stick. And that's how it should turn out, but you can use whatever color that you choose. I just chose to use the red, just for like a lipstick color. Make it look like it's lipstick. And then I took my hair weaving string and sewed them down on both sides, on two sides, on the left and the right. I didn't want to sew the whole thing down because I wanted it to have like a 3D look. I wanted it to stick out. And I strung my needle and I just sewed them down. Sorry, that's my son. It's nap time. And then for the word sky. If you notice my first video, Vibrate Higher, just cut out some denim and tack down the words, sew down the words with whatever color, and then I pretty much sewed them on, and then I used glue as well. And then I mix matched the colors. So I didn't want them all to look the same. So I used all the colors. I used the yellow, orange, and pink. Yeah. And then I pretty much mix matched all the colors. So you see the yellow, orange, and pink. You see the pink, yellow, orange, and orange, yellow, and pink. That's pretty much how it turned out. And like I said, just sewed them all down. I went behind it and put some glue so it won't come off. Then to get the distressed look, pretty much just cut out strips into the denim. Didn't cut them out, but just cut strips. And then I tweezed all the denim out of the strips that I cut. Yes, it takes a long time, but it depends on the look that you're going for. And that's how it should look. And then I went ahead and did it on that side. I did the same concept, cut the strips out, tweezed them, and then it's a distressed look. So I'm gonna just show you pretty much how I did it. Here we go, just pretty much just tweeze out the denim right on out, and then you add it on the side. I notice the more you wash it, the better looking the distress look is. That's just me. So that's pretty much how it turned out. And then I took my gromits and my spikes, and then I sewed on the spikes. The cuff on the side, I cuffed the shorts, and then I sewed them down and then put the spike on just to hide the stitching. And I did the same thing for the straps and the overalls. The overalls were kind of long, so I kind of like just folded it up, sewed them down, and then put the spike to hide the stitching. So if I want to wear them long, I can pretty much just cut out the thread and wear them long, so I can have options. And that's how it turned out. So now I'm just going to give you a few options on how to wear these overalls. And first I want to show you guys like how it looked, how the overalls look. I just showed you guys pieces of the overalls so you guys couldn't see like how it looked from the front, the back, and the sides. So I just wanted to show you the lip. You guys see like the rhinestones, and you see the distressed look in the front, how it turned out. And the overalls are, since I kind of like folded them up, they're like mid-thigh. And those are the shoes those are options for the shoes. And then this is the side. You guys can see the word sky in there. That's my son's name, by the way. And then you guys can see the rhinestones, the colors, and everything. And pretty much the outfit makes sense. And then underneath, you see the white. So that's one side. And then that's the back side. You guys can see the button in the back. I sewed down the button because I wanted to hide the stitching. I took it in the back because I didn't like how wide it was. And then I put the button on, like I said, to hide the stitching. And then, of course, you guys can see the lip. Yeah, and they're Levi Strauss overalls. But I just wanted to give you guys a look on the whole, on how the overalls kind of looked and how they turned out. I loved how they looked. So now this is option 1, and I call this the mom look. So I wore these overalls to a barbecue, and the whole outfit is very comfortable. So I added the the iridescent blue bag, the shoes. I actually wore the silver sandals with it. And of course the silver sandals match with the silver grommets at the top. And of course the brown matches with the stitching. If you notice, there you go. You see the silver grommets or the silver spikes at the very top. And underneath the overalls, there's a white bodysuit. I love bodysuits. And pretty much the silver just brings in everything. The brown shoes are pretty much neutral colors. It's a neutral color, matches with the stitching and the overalls. It matches with the denim. And yeah, if I was to wear it in a different way, that's the shoe I would pick. And then of course the bag on the floor is my son's diaper bag, and the yellow brings out the yellow on the side. If you guys saw it, my son's name, Sky, is, you see the yellow. So everything kind of like comes together and it matches. I want to be able to maneuver and everything to kind of like, comfortable, summery. And there's no accessories because I don't want my son pulling anything off. So yeah, this is pretty much the whole concept. Like I said, it's very summery, very comfortable. And wear it to the park, wear it to barbecue, wear it anywhere, pretty much. So yeah, I just loved how these turned out, and that's option number 1. And so now on to option number 2. So underneath, I took off the strappies for like a fashion statement, and it's also to show you guys the shirt underneath. So the shirt underneath also is a bodysuit. It's a beige bodysuit, and then I picked the black and the 2 pairs of black shoes. And I pretty much just changed the whole look and added a backpack. So this can be like a school outfit, or I can use the backpack as a diaper bag, pretty much. And so the black, of course, is neutral color, and it matches with the denim. It gives it more of a rugged look, and it matches with the grommets on the side of the spikes. And if you notice in the black, it's shiny, and it matches with the backpack. And the black, the Saucony matches with the backpack as well. So with the stitching, there's brown stitching in the boots, and the brown stitching pretty much matches the beige stitching and the overalls, and it matches with the spikes on the side, and of course it matches with the backpack. And the Saucony has the pink strip on the side. The pink strip brings in the backpack. It brings in the word on the side. It brings in the black is a neutral color. The white is a neutral color as well. So, and it's very comfortable. So like I said, this is a mom outfit to me, like for me. Go to the park, go to the mall, go to the outlet, and basically it's very comfortable. It's not too long, not too loose, it's still fashionable, so I loved how this turned out, and like I said, everything just makes sense. Everything comes together. It's fashionable, and I don't have to worry about, anything being too tight or too loose. Wear it to school. I like backpacks. Backpacks are, a fashion statement. But yeah, I really want to know what you guys think about the outfit, how you will wear it. You don't necessarily have to wear it the way that I put it out. I want to know what you guys think. So, I guess please like, subscribe, and share. And thank you so much for watching. You guys have a great day. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel, From Drab to Fab with Kiss. My name is Diamond, and today